Alright guys, this is the final dog vlog. Kind of done with this whole series. So this is it. Today we're going on the very long walk that I promised a while ago. Should be pretty fun. Also, this poor baby's very worn out because we've been going on walks like every day for the past couple of weeks. So she might slow down a little, but we'll get here eventually. It should be like an hour long. Also, 5 days ago was this Picker's birthday. We didn't do anything too special. The whole family was in town and gave it up. But also, you may be wondering, what the hell? Why is this the last episode? The truth is, I don't have time for this. And also, you may be wondering, why the hell is this the last episode? The truth is, I'm really lazy and I really just don't want to do this. And don't worry, June will still be getting walks. I just won't do it for me. She's looking real majestic on this windy Kansas day. Also, you can see on this road, it's just beautiful view. Somebody's field right there, and then we got a winery right there. And then there's June. Really, June? Just trying to get a majestic video we're running, but this lazy bum doesn't want to move. So now that we're kind of in the walk, today we're going about 4 or 5 miles. And for a fat dog like this, that should get her real worn out. That's just the way I'll do my best to get a video after our walk, because she'll just be passed out. Those little feet bottom. Also, today is June 10th, and we're currently at 46 subscribers, and this will probably be my last video. So, if I get 50 subs, that's when this video will be posted. Since today is June 10th, whatever day this gets uploaded, that's when we get 50 subs. Sorry if my last couple of clips kind of suck. My audio recorder was covered by my hand the whole time. And also, it's really windy today, so now we're really in your stereotypical Kansas. There's just fields and cows everywhere. Then there's June. June, look your baby. It's June. Just found a to-go box. Just want to find out what's inside. It's actually from Wing Street. Bet this will be good. Look at that, it's a bunch of sauce. So I found a real big June size stick. I wonder if she wants it. June, you want it? You want it? Yep, that's June. Lazy. Fatso. I didn't record it, but after that, she changed her mind. She actually went up and sniffed the log. So we're gonna go to an old abandoned house. It's not actually there anymore, but it burnt down. And so that'll be a little pit stop for us. So we're very close to the pit stop. Probably can't see it, but I see it. And should be fun. I'm gonna give her some water there. That's always very cute. So here it is. This is the pit stop. Right behind that giant tree right in the center. It's just a chimney, I believe. That's all that's left. This used to be an abandoned house, and it was very cool. There's a lot of tall grass. June's just going right through it. Yeah. Obviously, it could be mowed. Could be a lot better here, but it's just beautiful. You can kind of see it there. It's just like the structure left. Wow. And there's June. I'm actually going to go on top of this deer stand here so you can get a better look. So, made it on top of the stand. It's a good view. Right about here's the road. Over here in this area you cannot see because there's so many trees. That's where the house burnt down. And then way over here is a garage, and we're gonna go check that out. I'm hoping it didn't burn down because it's really hard to tell in all this thick brush. Get one more camera shot, June. June, up here, baby. And there's good demonstration of her doggy skills. Now I'm trying to get over the garage, see if it's even there. Looks like there's a little part of it left. Hold on. So here we are. This is the crash garage. And there's some not very tall grass that June will be a lot better in. June, come here. Come here, baby. She's like getting into her primal animal. Well, I think we're gonna take a breather here. As much as I'd love to explore all this, me and June are getting destroyed by bugs. Like, they're all over me and her. So we're gonna get out of here. So that definitely was not my best idea. It was cool though. Did enjoy it. Hope June did. And well, except that was the end of the dog vlog. That's only like halfway of it. Now me and June, we're headed to another subdivision near mine. I forget the name of it. But there's a lot more grass on the side of the road, so she needs to go potty. She can go potty. Me and June are picking up the pace because I just felt her. She's getting really hot, so we might have to end this dog vlog short. But we're gonna keep going for now. She's one of those dogs. She'll do anything, but she definitely prefers to be inside. Obviously, you can tell by her big furriness and her cuteness, but she's more of a people person than a dog person. Alright, June's definitely not gonna make it to the end of this walk, so we'll probably get picked up, but we're at least gonna go to our final destination before we go. I'm hoping. She is, just listen to how she's breathing. Yeah, she's really worn out. And I just want the best for her. So now we're on a downhill. Should be good for June. We're about to get in the shade. So hopefully she'll get better. But this is going to be short once again. It's right there where the road just seems to end. That's where there's a lot of shade. Sorry, I just stepped in a little bump. It scared me. When I let her off the leash, the first thing she does is go to the shade. It's a classic June move. I think she's got to go to the bathroom, so I think we're just going to wait here a minute. And just like that, about 15 seconds went by, some random person's yard, and right there, she's just popping a squat. I can tell she's really tired, but good news is we're almost at our final destination. Come on, June. Lazy poop. Let's go. So we're on our final descent down the end of this hill. You can kind of see it there. It's beautiful. It's a very big sod farm, and June just loves to graze on it like some farm animal. Let's just be honest. June, you're an animal. So right about now, you'll just see the beauty of the turf farm. It's just beautiful. I don't know why, but it's gorgeous. And there's this guy. He's very rich. He's just got this beautiful pond in front of his giant mansion. It's great to be that guy. And now I just let June go. Look at that. Beautiful. We made it. The grass, June, more grass. Just beautiful. So I think that'll be the end of the dog vlog. And at the turf farm, my little baby. Probably gonna have her mom pick us up because it is very hot outside and this baby can't handle it. So leave a like or dislike and subscribe. Also, I will definitely throw in another clip from her being worn out at our house. June.